Hey everybody, I wanted to do this quick video on this little light bar I picked up for my tractor. This is by Auxbeam and I got this on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the bottom of the description here. I got this specifically because the lights that are up on the top of this tractor just weren't cutting it, and I do a lot of my mowing kind of at the end of the day just because of my work schedule. So I mounted this. I thought this would be a good solution, one, because it's all made out of metal, which is nice. And then two, it's just the perfect width for my mower here. So I wanted to show that off. I actually just got done recently resurrecting this old mower. I gave up on it a couple months back and just got real frustrated with it, and then just decided to not become a consumer and fix something instead of just buying something new again. So call it what you will, but this, I want to kind of just do this little video on this bar. This is the box that it came in. Pretty decent box. They give you, it's pretty well packaged too, which I like. It was all packed in this styrofoam type material. They give you, you know, basic contact information, basic instructions, and it also comes with some cool decals if you want to support them, which is up to you. I also got this switch because I wasn't sure if I could use my existing switch on the mower. I'll show you how I have it tied in. But the switch was like $7, $8, and it's actually pretty nice. It's actually all coated with the heat shrink materials on the back of the connections and stuff. So real good rocker switch. You could also use this on a Jeep, I guess, which is cool. But let me show you kind of how I have this hooked up. It comes with these mounts that are adjustable, so you can actually slide the light back and forth this way or this way based on how you want to mount it. And then it actually has through bolts that go through, and I use some longer ones than the ones that were supplied with it, and some spacers to space it off the mower a little bit, because if I can show you here, you can see the space here, but when that's opened up, it clears it perfectly, which is nice. So the way I wired it up here is just basic. I went on ahead and just, here's the wire for the lights. It's just a positive and a negative wire. I just tapped it into the positive and negative on the two existing light bulbs. So when I flick the lights on here with this switch up and down, they'll go on, and I'll do a demonstration here in a minute to kind of show you how they work. But that's it. Really nice light. I think it's going to do a great job at helping me mow. I definitely think that these, you know, Ariens tractors, they're any of these consumer grade tractors, they lack in the lighting department, so a little bit of help is always nice. Yeah, look there, it gives it a pretty cool look too. Good looking mower. Some of the other additions I did was add these flat free tires, but I'll do another video on that. So let me demonstrate here how these look. Get some ventilation going here. And I'll prop up the camera here for us. So there you have it. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Kind of get an idea of what they look like. They're just surging like that because it takes a minute for the mower to kind of fire up, and these aren't like a vehicle where they are, you know, they're constant voltage. So that's to be expected. Hadn't run the mower yet, but just want to do a quick video on that. So if you guys decide to get one of these, I'll throw a link down at the bottom of the description. Get them. I'm not getting paid by them or anything like that, so you can just pick a set up. I actually like these. I'll let you know how the durability is of these after another year and let you know how they hold up here on the front of the mower. So, all right, thanks for watching.